Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to add glow on Pixlr. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Pixlr photo editor. So the first thing that you need to do guys is add an image right here under layer and then click on image and search for the image that you want to add. For example, I'm gonna add this one. And if you want, you can also adjust the size of the image. So we're going to zoom out a little bit and then drag it from the corner like this. And as you can see, guys, now the image uh, has been resized. So now we're going to zoom in a little bit. And for example, I'm going to add text and then I'm going to add a glow to the text. So right now we're going to go to the left side of the screen, click on text, and then right here you're going to find add text, click on it, and then you need to fill this box with the text that you want to add. So for example, I'm going to name it glowing text. So we can choose from here the fonts. So I'm going to keep this one, change the color from here, and then we're going to change the size, make it a little bit smaller, and then we're going to make it here in the top. So if you want to add a glow to the text, all you need to do guys is go right here to styles, and then right here you're going to find outline, click on outline, and then here click on the color and choose a color for the text. For example, I'm going to choose this one, click on OK. And as you can see, guys, now a glow is added to the text. Right here, you can pinch out the text, the glow effect, or you can also remove it. Here, you can change the size of the outline, change the distance between the outline and the text, and lastly, change the direction. And as you can see, guys, this is the final result. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.